Hi everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn about chemical reactions. In detail, we are going to know about the decomposition reaction and the direct combination reactions. Direct combination reaction or synthesis reaction. This is a chemical reaction in which two elements combine to form a single compound, or one element combines with other compound to form a new compound, or two compounds combine to form a new compound. Examples: carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Here, one element combines with the other element to form a single compound, carbon dioxide. Similar examples we could say like sulfur combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Calcium combines with oxygen to form calcium oxide. Few more examples where element combines with compound to give a new compound. Carbon monoxide combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide combines with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. Few examples for where a single compound combines with another compound to form a new compound. Phosphorus pentoxide, when treated with water, it gives phosphoric acid. Similarly, carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid, or sulfur dioxide combines with water to form sulfurous acid. These are all the examples of direct combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a type of reaction or a chemical reaction in which a compound decomposes to form two elements, or a compound decomposes to form one element and a compound, or one compound decomposes to give two new compounds. Examples for decomposition reaction: mercuric oxide on heating gives mercury plus oxygen. Here we can see one compound decomposes to give two elements, that is mercury and oxygen. Similar example we can take silver oxide. On heating it gives silver plus oxygen. Next, a compound gives new compound plus element. Here potassium nitrate on heating gives potassium nitrite plus oxygen. Similar example we could consider potassium chlorate on heating gives potassium chloride plus oxygen. An example for the compound which decomposes to give new compound, two new compounds. For example, calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Types of decomposition. Thermal decomposition reaction. It is a decomposition reaction which is brought about by heat. Example we could take like zinc hydroxide on heating gives zinc oxide plus water, and this reaction is irreversible. Coming to thermal dissociation, it is a decomposition reaction in which a substance dissociates into two or more simpler substances on application of heat. So when ammonium chloride on heating we get ammonia gas plus HCl. So thermal dissociation, unlike thermal decomposition, it is a reversible reaction. Moving to electrolytic decomposition, a decomposition reaction in which it is brought about by the passage of electric current. We know electrolysis of water. When electric current is passed through water, it decomposes to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Next, the last type of reaction is photochemical decomposition. Here, the reaction occurs in the presence of light. Example, decomposition of silver salts in the presence of sunlight.